Hello everybody, it's me, Rachel. Welcome back. In today's video, I got these are holiday sets, so you might be able to still get them, but they are from e.l.f. and if you got them for a gift or you bought them for yourself and you haven't opened them yet or whatever, or maybe you forgot about them, I wanted to play with these today. I bought them my own self. I just wanted to, together this is $25 of makeup, and you get like a brush, what's in here, a brush, 3 eyeshadow duos, and the liquid glitter eye set, and a black eyeliner. These eyeliners are not that bad actually, so let's go ahead and open these up and see what we have to work with. I wanted to play with these for a while. I've always loved the little duo eyeshadows that e.l.f. has put out. They're actually something. So I have opened them. These are the glitters. They're really pretty. There's like a burgundy kind of coppery tone, and then a purple, and like a gold champagne. I almost poked myself in the eye. And then here are the little duos. I have always loved these eyeshadow duos. They're actually one of my favorite things from e.l.f. And they like seem to never change, which I like. I really do. Not change in like they come up with the same ones every year, but they don't seem to change packaging or anything like that. And so here are them together. Let's open them and swatch them. So here is this one. This is in, it just has numbers on the back, so I'll just show it up close. Really soft, really, really good. That is the swatches with the one swipe that you just saw. That looks so good. I'm so excited about that. These are all very neutral, and like, I can't imagine being disappointed in this as a gift if you did receive this, or going to, depending on what you guys do. So that is this one right here. So pretty. Very quick everyday little eyeshadows. And then there's this last one right here. So there's all of them swatched, and I think they just look so pretty. I don't have any of them from previous years right now, but I've always liked to get them, and I used to keep them for too long, but they also used to come out with like cream shadows in these little duos. If there's a picture that I can find, I will link it. I will post it here, but I used to really love those too. I always liked cream shadows, so if you can't hear me, I'm opening this. And then here is the eyeliner. It has one of those sharpening tips. I always save these lids. If you ever get them, save them, because they're actually really great sharpeners. The eyeliner itself is not the greatest, but it's not the worst either. So in this duo you get, or trio shall I say, this is Flirty Birdie, which is this gold one. And then Purple Region is this pretty one. And then this one is, let's see, Cranberry Punch. So look how pretty that is. And then the one I've already had is this one, and I've been using that one. It's really fun. So let's just go ahead and jump in. Actually, I'm going to swatch to the eyeliner real quick for you guys, and let's see how good of a liner this is. Oh, actually pretty creamy. So let's use this today also. So the duo that I'm going to start off with is this lighter kind of rosy tone shade one. And I'm going to go into the matte shade here and kind of fluff this all over the crease and the outer corner. Make it kind of messy. Let me turn this just a bit. This is a very, very thin fluffy brush. I like the I like that it's kind of just not very precise, if you know what I'm going for. Okay, so then I have that matte shade blended all over the lid, or the crease. I'm not really sure what words I'm trying to say. So I have this one right here, which is kind of like, I guess, purpley tone is the shimmer. So I'm going to take a little bit of this matte and put it in the outer corner and kind of go closer to the lash line with this. So put it here and then pull it along the lash line with some definition. So now we have that, the darkened crease area, and I like the way that it kind of comes in a little bit. I think it's looking real good. Okay, so I kind of don't really know how, I've only had 2 of these and some of them kind of play differently, so I'm kind of wondering, kind of want to do this one, and I also, I really want to play with all of them. Maybe I will do one of these bolder ones. I'm gonna go with the red one. Let's do the red, okay? Alright, so I think maybe we should get something that, like a handheld mirror, just so I can be a little bit closer. Let's try this. So I'm gonna kind of put this on the majority of the lid. I mean, I've heard great things, and I like the ones that I've already had of these, or already have, still have them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it with this, and then, ooh, trying to close my lid, go in with like a flat brush, and then kind of not move it, but maybe pat it. If you move it, some of the flecks of the glitter kind of, so I'm just patting it. I don't really know if you can see that very well, but just patting it. It looks really pretty, and we can go in with like one of the lighter shades or whatever to lighten the inner corner, but it's looking actually not too shabby. It's really, it's like really cold on my lid. I can definitely feel it. So if this one is Cranberry Punch, I am putting on. So it's definitely an appropriate shade for them to come out with at this time of year. So that is that Cranberry Punch on the lid, looking real good. Here is it. If you can still get this, I will link it down below for your viewing pleasure. Alright, I'm going to go in with this. It might be a little bit much, but I kind of don't really care at this point. I'm going to go in with this shimmer right here and just place a little bit, kind of maybe overlap that Cranberry Punch here on the inner corner. Just kind of pull it up. That is the finished look with the shadows and those little glitters. Now I'm going to go ahead and try the liner. So this is a wooden liner. It might dry out faster than others, so be aware of that. But when in doubt, I think it'll work great. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and then I'll be right back because I can't do it. I can't do it. Alright, I have put the liner on and I have some mascara on. This liner is not the creamiest, and if you have really sensitive eyelids, this will not be good. It'll hurt. So I probably will not be keeping this. I might just end up tossing it, but I will keep the lid like I said. So it's not the greatest eyeliner, but not the worst. So let's go ahead and put a lip on, and maybe we'll do like an e.l.f. lipstick. Which e.l.f. lipstick do I have? I have this one. It's actually one I got from the dollar store, and it is called Flirtatious. It's one of their dollar lipsticks. And it's really pink. Maybe I don't want to put that on right now. Let's move on from that one. I have an Essence lipstick that I really like, and it's called This Is Nude, and it's in 01 Freaky. Smells real good too. Alright, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on your notifications if you like to see my face. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.